Maybe you are confused about what this connector is for. The name is Audio and Microphone Splitter Connector 3.5mm. This is the logo of the headset that must be connected to the earphone, while this one is the microphone logo, which must be connected to the microphone. So, how do you connect it? Prepare your Android mobile phone. Insert the connector into the female jack mobile phone. The name of this contact plate is tips and this is left. Insert the 3.5mm male TS microphone jack into the microphone socket. While the earphone have three contact plates, namely is tips, right and left. Thank you for watching. See you next time.